Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PULM. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around and saying that, where it closed today relative to where it was, that this wasn't a good move. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price action? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And it all revolves around one point, and that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level, I'm going to call it down here at $2.65. Why is $2.65 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.65. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within that range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. So even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. Over time, they're going to make progress. And I'm defining quote-unquote progress as staying up above $2.65. Now, preferably speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? If the price can stay up above $3, that would be the ideal situation. But if the price does fall below it, not saying everything's ruined or anything like that, because again, for the reasons we've talked about, 265, in my opinion, is the must-hold level. As far as levels of resistance, pretty straightforward at this point. It's all about the pink line there, the 200 period simple moving average, even if you have just really a surface deep understanding of charts. I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is below it, it tends to act as resistance. And you can see price has gotten above it a couple times, but never been able to quite stay up above it. So going to next week, pink line, 200 period simple moving average, public enemy number one. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice day to day. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.